Welcome back to SA Ease with Tech, the place where we make life easier by finding smart products that save you time, money, and stress. Imagine this. You're running late for work, it's freezing outside, you hop in your car, turn the key, and nothing. Dead battery. Now what? Do you wait hours for roadside assistance, or do you fix it in minutes and get back on the road? That's the choice the Powrun P025 Jumper Cables give you. We've all been there. Stranded in a parking lot, stuck on the side of the road, or even worse, out with your family on a road trip when the car just won't start. It's frustrating, it's stressful, and it always happens when you least expect it. Calling for help costs time and money, and depending on where you are, you might be waiting for hours. That helpless feeling, nobody wants that. That's exactly why the Powrun P025 jumper cables exist. These heavy-duty booster cables are built for real emergencies. With 1,000 amps of power, they can jumpstart vehicles with engines up to 8.0-liter gas and 6.0-liter diesel, whether it's your car, SUV, or even a truck. They work on both 12-volt and 24-volt batteries, which means you're covered in almost any situation. Think about it. For a fraction of what you'd spend on a single roadside call, you can own these cables and never worry about being stranded again. Instead of stress, you get peace of mind. Instead of waiting, you're moving. That's real value. Picture this. It's late at night, your battery dies, but you've got the Powrun P025 with you. In just minutes, you're back on the road, safe, confident, and in control. That's the kind of security every driver should have. Don't wait until you're stuck in the cold, stranded with a dead battery. Grab the Powrun P025 jumper cables today and make sure you and your family are always protected. Because the best time to prepare is before you need it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the link below to grab yours today. Until next time, stay safe and stay prepared.